Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into something that's perfect for those on the go. Whether you're traveling or just need a quick style fix, this cordless curling iron promises to be a game changer. Meet the Conair The Cordless Collection 5/8" curling iron with travel case, a compact yet powerful tool designed to give you curls anywhere, anytime. This curling iron is powered by ThermaCELL butane cartridges, meaning you don't need to worry about cords or chargers. It heats up in just 2 minutes, ensuring you get styling power in a pinch. Plus, it includes one butane cartridge to get you started, and a handy travel case to keep everything organized. Now, let's get into how this works in the real world. I used this on a busy morning when I had zero time to fuss with cords, and it was so easy to incorporate into my routine. The compact size makes it perfect for travel. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a longer trip, it easily fits into your bag, and the travel case ensures nothing gets scratched or lost. The 5H barrel is ideal for creating tight, defined curls, and the heat up time is impressive. In just 2 minutes, you're ready to go. While it's incredibly convenient, there are a couple of things to note. The butane cartridge does require replacement once it's used up, which could be a downside for those who prefer something rechargeable or battery-operated for the long haul. Also, I noticed the temperature isn't as consistent as you might get with a wired curling iron, especially if the cartridge starts running low. But that's a minor inconvenience compared to the freedom of cordless styling. When it comes to the pros, the biggest advantage is undoubtedly the portability. No cords mean you can curl your hair anywhere, on a plane, in a car, or even at the beach. The 5/8" barrel is perfect for creating soft, tight curls, and it's surprisingly effective considering its small size. The included travel case is also a nice touch, keeping everything organized and safe. On the flip side, the cons include the need for butane cartridges, which can be a hassle to replace. The heating element is powered by this cartridge, so if you're expecting the same consistent performance you'd get with a traditional plug-in iron, this might not meet those expectations. And for a tool of this size, the price point is a little higher than expected, but the convenience may justify it for many. So, does it provide good value for money? In my opinion, yes, but with a few caveats. If you're someone who travels often or simply needs a quick styling solution, it's a solid choice. The convenience of not being tethered to an outlet is a game changer for many people, but if you're looking for something that can offer more consistent performance and heat, you might need to look at corded options. In terms of alternatives, there are definitely other cordless curling irons out there. A few of them also come with rechargeable batteries, which might be a more sustainable option for those who don't want to deal with refilling butane cartridges. Still, if you're someone who values portability and ease of use, the Conair Cordless Collection could be the perfect fit for you. To sum up, the Conair 5/8" cordless curling iron offers a fantastic solution for travel and on-the-go styling. While it's not perfect for every user, it definitely stands out in terms of convenience and portability. If you're someone who values ease of use, quick heat-up time, and flexibility, this could be your new best friend. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.